Well, hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine and swing out of my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, we're going to make Catalina chicken. So, grab a hold of that vine and let's get cooking. Hey there, good looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen, and I'm so glad that you're gonna be rocking out with your crock out with me because we're making that Catalina chicken. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Take your cover off of your crock pot, and now I'm just gonna give it a light spray of the cooking spray on the very bottom of my crock pot. Alright, I have my cooking spray here, and now let's just go ahead and just give it a few sprays as such. Now, let's quick go through the list of ingredients. You're not going to believe how easy this dish is to make. What you're going to be needing is some orange marmalade, 4 chicken breasts, some classic Catalina salad dressing, and 1 package of the onion soup mix. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna grab our chicken here. We're gonna place the chicken down on the very bottom of our crock pot. Let's go ahead, put the cover on. We're gonna come down here, we're gonna put it on low, and we're gonna walk away for 5 to 6 hours. Now, while our chicken is cooking all up, we're gonna sit there and make this glorious sauce that's gonna go over the chicken. Now, you're gonna be needing 1 cup of the orange marmalade. And yes, this is the orange marmalade jam that y'all watch me make. And now I'm gonna grab a spatula and we're gonna sit there and put that inside my little bowl here. Put that 1 cup of orange marmalade into our mixing bowl. Now take 1 package of the onion soup mix. And folks, yes, I do make my own, but for the video here, I realize not everybody cans like I do, so I'm also trying to conform to any of you non-canners out there, or people that don't like mixing up their own mixes because they just don't have the time, and I understand that as well. So I'm just trying to show you an easy way of putting this all together with just the store-bought ingredients. You're gonna need a full thing of the classic, and make sure you get the classic Catalina salad dressing. Pour the whole bottle in. And go ahead. And now let's mix this all up until we have everything all mixed up nice and well. Alright, it's about 5 hours after, so let's go ahead, remove the cover. And now if you have a lot of this liquid in the bottom, I don't know if that's picking up on the camera, we're going to be draining all that luscious chicken juice off and chop up the chicken. I gotta make this fast because my voice is not gonna last that long, and I want to show you how we make the rest of this Catalina chicken. So I'm gonna quick remove the chicken to my cutting board. And then we're gonna cut it all up into bite-sized pieces. We're gonna drain off all them juices, and I'll show you the next step. So I have our chicken on the cutting board here, and we'll be back. Okay, as you see, I'm all done. I said chop it all up, but my chicken was a little too done, and it ended up getting shredded. So whichever way works for you, work it. This is your dish. Let's own it. Now, I'm just gonna sit there and evenly spread all the shredded chicken out. Here is our drained out broth that was in our crock pot. Now, with the Catalina sauce that we made, now that we have it all mixed up, put your cover back on, come over here and put it on warm. Now, go ahead and prepare either your noodles or rice. There, that's how easy it was to put together Catalina Chicken. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And if you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead, tap that subscribe button, tap that bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And thank you for taking the time to watch my video. And y'all come back now. You hear?